ngicela sikeleni ukuphapha lesiya.
Yinle, huh? What is this? Is that it?
No.
No. After everything we've been through, Spay. After everything we've been through. Some parts, Spay. My friends are right about you. In fact, David, your best friend, was right about you. Huh? He comforted me. That's why Nalena. Understand.
Oh shit! Oh shit! This is my little sister's earring. I use it to eject a SIM card from my phone because I lost the original pin. Oh my God!
Ubasonke isikhathi sonke uma ngithi ngiyacabanga ngicabanga umuntu omuhle ngithuke sengicabanga nawe kudala nje